Hey my friend, are you looking to get some movies or TV shows on your Amazon Fire TV stick all for free? I got a really quick, easy one for you guys. Check this out. We're here on the home screen of the Amazon Fire TV stick. As you can tell, we're going to go to the Find icon, the little magnifying glass, and come down to where we can type in Downloader. Downloader gives us the ability to sideload applications on the Amazon Fire TV stick. Sideload apps that aren't available on the Amazon store, which probably available on the Google Play Store. So highlight Downloader, this orange icon, click on it, get it, install it. While we're waiting for it to install, please share this with a friend. Everybody needs applications like this. So it'll put it in the queue, download it, and then install it automatically. Once it's installed, let's not open it yet. Let's head back to the Find and the search icon. And guys, please remember to safeguard your online activity. I always suggest getting a great VPN. Surfshark VPN, great deal, discount. Hit the link in the description below and install it. This will safeguard your online activity, give you the ability to geolocate yourself. So we'll click download. Okay, once Surfshark's installed, let's go to the home screen and head over to the 3 squares plus sign, your apps and games section under the Fire TV stick. We can highlight Downloader, use the 3-line button on your remote and move it to the front, and we can do the same with Surfshark. 3-line button on your remote, move it to the front. Head to the home screen. Now, like I said, use the link in the description below. Log in, sign up through Surfshark. Open up Surfshark. Create your account now or log in. And I have Surfshark on my phone. And here we can enter a code. If you've logged in through Surfshark, just down on the bottom right there we have settings and then my account, and it says here login code right at the top. Click on it, use the code. Now I can only use this code, so I'm going to come down, enter a code, so I can use this code. This is my code. You have to get your own code. As much as I would love to share a code with you, so I'm going to enter it in, log in, login successful. Now we're good to go. And here I like to find, I'm going to go search. Now I live in Canada, the United States. Let's see here. United Kingdom, United States. Let's get nice and close. I'm going to use Detroit. And we're going to say yes to let it connect. Now we're connected to the United States. Now I'm going to go back to my home screen. So this has now geolocated my location and secured my online activity. The number one thing, it is now secured my online activity. So I'm going to go to the home screen and click on Downloader. Find Downloader, open it up. Allow Downloader to access photos and media on your device. Downloader needs access to this stuff. So we're going to say allow, and then you can read through the quick start guide if you would like and say okay. Now right here, we're going to highlight the enter a URL search term or short code, and I do have a short code for you. 370178, and this will link us to the Led by the Unknown website to get these awesome applications. Once the 5-second redirect is done, to prevent it from happening again, once the page is loaded, use the 3-line button. Use the 3-line button on our remote. And it comes up, add current page to favorite. We can do that and save it, and boom. Now on the left bar there, you'll be able to see our shortcut. Now guys, there's some extra videos in here, some how-tos, some other tutorials, and all the apps you can think of down below. Let's head down. Guys, remember, get 86% off and up to 5 free months. Take out your phone, take a snapshot of this QR code, and sign up today for Surfshark. If an ad pops up,
it doesn't have anything to do with your fingers.
Yo, welcome to the part that YouTube will let me show you. Welcome to the part that YouTube will let me show you.
enjoy.